One of the biggest lessons that we learned as an organization, and we have 60 years as a brand of history throughout the world, and we have more than 30 years in Australia as pizza operators. This was really the first time for us that it brought home the social license to operate. I've been in companies before, mining, heavy industries, where you realize it's something that you have to be aware of every day. And yet we're a pizza company. And so the thought that we couldn't trade simply because we're following the rules, we're providing our customers products they want, and the idea that suddenly that actually governments could say, no, you don't actually have the right to trade, was a completely new thought for us. And it really had to change the way we thought about our entire business. And I'm very proud to say that we've done that in a way that has reflected our values. While I'm bitterly disappointed not to be able to see everyone face to face at the Paddo this week, I'm still really excited about speaking with all of the people from the IABC this week and answering your questions and for all of us to learn from each other. But I think despite the fact that we're going to be virtual, grab a slice of pizza, because really that's the only thing otherwise in a virtual environment you'll be missing out on. I hope you'll get the full experience and the lessons that I hopefully can share this week online anyway.